Well, good morning, everyone. It is now 2 a.m., top of the hour. I'm Storm Team 8 meteorologist Ed Bloodsworth alongside meteorologist Lee Spann.
And we just got the latest 2 o'clock update from the National Hurricane Center, so we wanted to bring that to you. And just as we thought, unfortunately, it has strengthened. It now has winds of 130 miles per hour, and it is moving west-northwest. Excuse me, it is moving northwest at 6 miles per hour. Let me tell you why this happened. The eye has moved out away from Cuba. It is no longer interacting with the coast. It went through an eye wall replacement, meaning it was kind of solidifying that, making it a smaller eye. You can really see it here. And we looked at satellite, we looked at radar, and we looked at what the National Hurricane Center hurricane hunters found, and we knew this was going to get stronger.
They did find some winds around 130 miles per hour when I believe they made their second pass through the eye. So no surprise here that they have now increased it. And what we're also noting on the satellite presentation is the eye itself is contracting. You sort of think about this like a figure skater. If they were to spin and then bring their arms in, they would spin faster. And this is exactly what's happening now. Winds up to 130 miles per hour. So still just a very, very powerful hurricane about to really bear down on the Keys at this time. And that northwesterly movement, very, very important. We're going to track this a little bit with Max Defender-8 a little bit later, but we do want to go ahead and give you the latest look at the Saffir-Simpson scale.
Yeah, I wanted to show you that now that it is 130 miles per hour, it has moved back into the Category 4 status. It was a Category 3. Now it is a Category 4, now that it has 130 mile per hour winds. So we're talking about this storm continuing to strengthen, and we'll show you that track. Now that it has 130 mile per hour winds, it's going to be heading north toward the Keys and should be there before daylight.
Now, this track, now keep in mind, the actual track is based off of the 11 p.m. advisory here. So we're going to get a new track at 5 a.m. Now, this has it as a Category 3 coming into Key West, but now with 130 mile per hour winds, I venture to say that that intensity forecast will be adjusted at 5 o'clock. So we can assume that we're going to have a Category 4 hurricane coming through the Keys here by us this morning at 8 o'clock. So, and then from there, it continues into southwest Florida, and that's now the big concern.
Right. So as we head into the daylight hours of Sunday, we'll be really tracking this so closely where it comes on shore sometime Sunday evening. So after about mid-afternoon, it'll be either tracking right along the coast of Fort Myers or possibly into Sarasota and Manatee County, making, coming on shore at 8 p.m. on Sunday. Now, when you look at this, notice that icon spinning is spinning in a counterclockwise fashion. So once the storm passes your area, when the eye passes your area, if you live near the coast, your winds are going to start coming from the Gulf of Mexico. And what that means is that that's going to start piling up that Gulf water into inlets, into bays, into rivers. That's the coastal flooding storm surge event. It's not going to happen when the storm makes landfall. It's going to happen after it passes your area.
And also realize here, well before this makes landfall, you're going to be experiencing tropical storm force winds as far north as Hernando and Citrus County, because we just got the latest update in terms of the wind field. Tropical storm force winds extend outwards of 205 miles from the center of circulation. Just a tremendously large wind field. Hurricane force winds extending 70 miles from the center. And in fact, Marathon, Florida, in the Keys there, did report a hurricane force wind gust of 88 miles per hour. So we're getting confirmation the hurricane force winds are getting closer.
And the center hasn't gotten to Marathon, which means it's only going, those winds are only going to get stronger as it continues to move forward. So in a forward motion. So now we'll turn our attention to Max Defender-8 because it is our tool that we use to analyze these rain bands. And we're getting the first few rain bands. We have a tornado watch in effect for Highlands and DeSoto counties. That goes until noon today. But I do expect as this storm moves north, that the tornado watches will move north as well, because embedded in these rain bands, the threat for tornadoes. But Max Defender-8 its power, its range. We can see through the band, so through the band that's in Highlands County into the one that's near Clewiston right now, and really analyzing it down all the way to Key Largo.
And in fact, what we're going to do now is actually switch sources and tap into our radar network out of Key West here, because we are now seeing a much better defined eye here. That northern eye wall is really starting to stabilize here. It went through an eye wall replacement. If you'll notice early on, I'll zoom into the eye here, we were seeing actually a couple of actually eye walls. Let me go back about an hour or so and actually sort of draw this in for you, because it really does tell you the story. I'm going to go ahead and show you. We actually had an inner eye wall right about there, and then it went through an eye wall replacement, and now we've got this solid eye wall that is taking over at this time. So we'll go back into current time here, and you can clearly see this is looking much better even on the radar presentation. Now, also what we're going to do, I'm going to go back about 3 hours, and we're going to look at sort of the position of this hurricane. So, Lee, this is very important as we start to draw out this eye wall here.
So this is 11:15, and it had just started to emerge from the coast of Cuba. And now we go forward 3 hours. Look at that motion. Look where it has moved in 3 hours. The northern side of the storm, of that eye wall, especially the northeastern side, is where you're going to have the strongest wind. So if you were to extrapolate where this goes from the northwest, where it's definitely heading toward the Keys, possibly even right toward Key West, unless it makes more of a northerly jog. At the moment, it's moving northwest.
So that's 3 hours. So it's moved about 20 miles in 3 hours. So yeah, that puts the speed right around 6 to 7 miles per hour at this time, moving right in the direction of Key West.
But we do expect that forward speed to pick up actually pretty significantly.
Absolutely we do. And also we want to show you the wind speeds now in and around the eye, just to confirm. Now this is using radar. You're looking at the velocity product here. I'm going to toggle on some of the wind speeds, and well, there you go. Well over 100 in and around the center. We've noted even higher speeds occasionally closer to that eye wall here. So I mean, we're seeing now what we can safely say is a strengthening hurricane over the Florida Straits, a Category 4 hurricane, incredibly intense here.
All right, so after it makes landfall somewhere, possibly Sarasota, possibly Fort Myers, it crosses, staying on Florida's west coast. But look at that forward speed. By Monday morning, 12 hours later after it makes landfall in Fort Myers and Sarasota, it is up near I-10 in Gainesville. So thankfully, once it gets going, it's fast moving, which means, yes, it's going to bring about a foot of rain in some cases, but it's not going to rain for days like we saw with Harvey. So there will be flooding, but it will not be an extended flooding event.
So really the worst weather comes from about sunset tonight. So again, this is Sunday, sunset Sunday, all the way through sunrise on Monday. Once we get through that period, the worst will be behind us. Still going to deal with a coastal flood threat and still some very high water in some areas, but it's going to be a rough night, no doubt here. So as we made mention, tropical storm force winds start building later this morning, and then the winds continue to pick up into the evening.
Yeah, we'll see hurricane force winds by tomorrow, late tomorrow afternoon, guys. So just know that it's going to get worse as the day progresses.
Well, gosh.